Hey, Willstims3 here. We're doing an EDC shakedown with Radio Tonta. And so first things first, what bag am I carrying? Actually I have two, because you never know when your first bag will rip. And then this bag, actually got it for free. Have a notepad and a pair of sunglasses. They're fresh because I like to, have the best optics out there that I can. Got a little one hitter, a little pipe that I picked up off of someone in the Mercantile, and one flashlight. This is a Dorsey, which is a brand that is hardly even known in the U.S. It's Dutch, I think. Okay, and now for my medication. I got right here. I've got a mecaptoprine 50 milligram tabs that I take every morning. Here's a extended release Adderall 20 milligram tabs that I don't take, and prednisone 10 milligram tabs. I take 4 of these a day. And another Adderall. This one is a short release tab. It's 20 milligrams. Sting Soothe for those that have a bad time with the bugs. I was going camping last night, and that was handy. And a bag of shake. This is for that. Some soggy Orbit. My old library card that I haven't used in God knows how long. Bus ticket from, let's see, that is from like 8 days ago. Or no, that's 5 days ago.
How much cash are you carrying?
In my wallet?
No, just in your bag.
In my bag, $11. And some change. There's a grinder. This is anodized aluminum. It's very sturdy. You could take it to the ends of the earth and never have to worry about grinding up your weed again. It's made by Sharpstone.
That looks like it's a 2-inch one.
A bike light, another flashlight, a knife, very little features to it, no bells or whistles, just 2 little knives. This one keeps sharp because I never use it, and in case I ever hurt myself and I need to do something mean to myself, got that. And then this is just, your standard knife for doing odds and ends with.
Is that Swiss Army?
Yeah, I think so. It's got the Swiss Army colors, but I think it's got no identifying features about it. So maybe it's not Swiss Army for fear of breaking copyright. And right here I have some weed tincture, and then lots of Azicol, which is anti-inflammatory. Got quite a bit of that in here. My contact case, headphones. These are Avios. I bought them for about $49.99 at Radio Shack, and once they break, and it's a year from me getting them, I'll be able to get a new one for free because I bought the insurance on it.
They have good quality?
Yeah, very good quality. They've got superior fidelity, and I guess They don't have that much bass, but they suit me just fine.
So anything else left?
I think that's it. This is made by Quantum. Well, thanks for joining us. I hope you, I would love to hear your guys' critique on my system. It isn't as organized as I would like it to be, but maybe your tips and tricks in the comments below. See you guys later.